Kung may budget gaming phone tulad ng Tecno Pova 5, mayroong mas low budget gaming phone ang Tecno Pova Neo 3. Tara, unbox tayo! Itong phone na ito ay priced at 6,799 pesos suggested retail price. Naka-sale usually online priced at 6,299. So mura na talaga itong phone na ito. I-unbox natin ang Tecno Pova Neo 3. This is the box of Tecno Pova Neo 3, quirky designed box with Free Fire branding and design here. Showing the Pova Neo 3 in blue color but ours in gold actually. It is a simple rectangular box showing highlighted specs at the back. Particularly first in line, the whopping 7,000 mAh battery. This phone is managed by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 6.82 inches screen size with 90Hz refresh rate. Dual game engine kung saan tawagin ni Tecno ang kanilang game mode optimization. And let's now slide the sleeve off and we will see the regular Pova Neo 3 icon on this box. Pop the cover out and here's the Tecno Pova Neo 3. This is in amber gold color and look, first impression, good looking siya. Let us unfold the next layer where we have the 12 warranty icon. Plus 1 month ito. A Free Fire gift code, cool free stickers ng Free Fire, warranty form, the transparent jelly case, Tecno charging brick and 18 watts charger ito, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, pair of basic wired earphones. So thank you for this, Tecno. And here is the SIM and SD card tray ejector. So tignan natin ang Tecno Pova Neo 3. It really looks like the Tecno Pova 5 with its mecha design. Ang ganda nitong gold with the lines here making it futuristic or parang pang robot or mecha nga ang dating. The texture is matte, no fingerprint marks. And alam ko, Tecno Pova 5 has glossy na mas kapitin ng fingerprint, but this one does not. Yung design ng camera cluster is also same din like Tecno Pova 5. Mapagkakamalan mo nga siyang Pova 5 kapag hindi mo naman inusisa na maigi. Pero overall, I really like the looks of it, especially itong amber gold color. Tignan natin ang paligid ng phone. Sa bottom part, nandito ang headphone port with a microphone, USB-C port for charging and data transfer, and the primary loudspeaker. And yes, meron tayong second speaker on the earpiece part that serves as the stereo second speaker. Sample na natin ito.
Overall look is not cheap at all. For the price, this is one of the better looking ones. Gone are the days of the glossy
And good and loud naman, medyo manipis lang ang tunog. On the left side, the SIM tray with dual SIM and dedicated micro SD card slot for storage expansion. So you can connect 2 SIM cards here with 4G LTE networks for data and can connect to voice over LTE for both numbers. Sa unang gamit ko, stable naman ang data and voice quality. May proximity sensor and GPS din ito that can connect well to navigation apps and also it connects well to Wi-Fi signal. Mayroon din FM radio ito. On the right is the volume keys and the power button that doubles as fingerprint scanner. Okay din naman ang response nitong fingerprint. Sa front naman tayo, mayroong front-facing camera at the top center inside a punch hole on the screen. No glass branding specified here. The screen is quite big at 6.82 inches na merong 720p resolution at meron itong 90Hz refresh rate, making it smoother. Yung screen even naman pero hindi siya sync clear ng mga high-end screens or IPS screens tulad ng nasa Infinix Note 30 or Huawei Nova. Malapit-lapit ang screen quality nito sa previously kong gamit na Itel S23. Goods naman ito for basic viewing and may auto brightness din siya and that is good. Equipped with 7,000 mAh capacity battery, I do not have an actual experience yet pero expect natin that it will last long. Reference na lang natin sa mga 5,000 mAh battery, aabot sa atin ito ng 2 days. So expect natin na madadagdagan ang approximately 25 to 31% battery performance. This is charged using 18-watt charger, so siguro expect natin mga around 2 to 3 hours ang charging time. Let us go to software and performance. Running Android 13 with HiOS, complete ang perks naman ng Android 13 and HiOS like the split screen, dual apps, kids mode, side panel shortcut at itong Panther game mode engine nila where you can optimize your gaming apps within. Naka-Helio G85 ito, a bit old processor na, nagamit din sa previous Pova Neo 2. Sample natin sa Pokemon Unite and good na good naman ang aking gameplay with this. Even at high settings, wala naman akong naging issues. Mag-sample na rin tayo ng camera shots for us to check out. Good photos naman ang nakuha natin, medyo napansin ko lang na hindi siya ganun ka-quick mag-focus. You need to tap the subject on your screen. Nasa neutral ang color ng images and very good naman siya for daily use. Madami ding camera modes that we can use that will suit your photography scenario. So quick look lang muna tayo at kabubukas ko lang din itong aking Tecno Pova Neo 3. Nakita naman natin na it is one of the low-cost phones available around 6,700 pesos and below. Nagmumura pa yan kapag sale. What is worth highlighting on this Tecno Pova Neo 3, ang 7,000 mAh battery. Very few lang ang merong ganito kalaking battery. May big display with 90Hz fluidity, a decent chipset for its price, stereo speakers, and the good futuristic look. Worth highlighting din na parehong-pareho lang din sila ng Tecno Pova Neo 2 when it comes to specifications. 8GB Android 13 and design nga lang ata talaga ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa. So kung naka Tecno Pova Neo 2 ka na, this is not really an upgrade. So para kanino itong phone na ito? Para ito doon sa mga gusto ng gaming pa din naman pero low lang on budget. At meron na rin namang decent dedicated game features itong Tecno Pova Neo 3. Para din ito sa mga gusto ng talagang mahabang battery life, yung tipong walang charging activity for 2 or 3 days for casual use. So for its price, lalo na kung mabibili mo naman for 6,200 pesos and below, sulit na rin itong Tecno Pova Neo 3. And that is it. I hope nakatulong ang video na ito para ma-experience niyo ang phone sa panonood lamang. Subscribe to Lanicom Views, follow nyo din sa FB, Instagram ang Lanicom Views. Comment kayo at pag-usapan natin ang mga views ninyo and learn from each other. This is Lanicom of Lanicom Views. Hanggang sa muli!